Hello JDM EXPO followers, JDM car enthusiasts. This is Skyliner Z again with you, and today I'm going to talk about a few new arrivals to our inventory. I'm mostly going to be focused on Toyota Supras because we recently got a lot of Supras. So this is 1993 Toyota Supra in a very nice black color with 5-speed manual transmission. Pretty clean, mostly factory stock Toyota Supra. It got non-turbo engine, but it's still 2JZ, and as I said, it got 5-speed manual transmission. Pretty nice JDM sports car, and it is already 25 years old, so it can be shipped to the US under 25-year import law. It got some very minor but really cool upgrades like muffler, wheels, steering wheel. So you're gonna see this car on our website pretty soon. Our JDM specialist John K is gonna talk more about this and some other cars we got recently. Here are a few more Toyota Supras. I like the wheels on this white Supra. Looks pretty cool. This one got automatic transmission, not a manual one. It's 1995, so it's not legal to import to the US yet. But if you are stationed in Japan, if you're a military serviceman, and if you're looking for a JDM sports car, or a Toyota Supra in particular, then you can purchase this car from us. You can drive it here in Japan for a year or two, then you can ship it back to the US on a 25-year-old import law. And this black 1993 Toyota Supra was also 5-speed manual transmission, pretty much factory stock condition, no major upgrades. Muffler and suspension are aftermarket, but otherwise it's pretty much stock. Pretty clean and well-maintained car. But my main focus in this video is going to be on this Supra. What is so special with this Supra? Originally it was a non-turbo engine Supra, so upon the request of our customer, we swapped the engine, so now it got twin turbo 2JZ engine, and upon his request we installed some very cool aftermarket parts. It got some pretty nice Grady front piping, Grady intercooler, V-Pro ECU, and a very noisy muffler. It was a special request from our customer to make the car as noisy as possible. So today we're gonna check how noisy it is. If you like the noise of the car, then please leave your comments under this video. Noel, a customer that purchased this car, wanted his neighbors to hate him because of the noise of his car. So let's see if it's that noisy. It was a special request to make this car super noisy. and I believe it is now. But look at the engine bay. As I said, originally the car had non-turbo engine, and we replaced the engine. We swapped the engine with a turbo one, so now we got twin turbo 2JZ engine. Very clean engine room actually. Look at this. Very shiny, very clean, no rust. We got a very nice body kit too. Now customer is actually planning to replace the wheels too. And the car is going to be shipped to Guam, the US territory. And I believe it's going to be one of the coolest JDM cars on the island. So let's see how noisy it is. Pretty clean interior too, mostly stock. It got boost controller. So I'm gonna start the car and see how noisy the muffler is. 1, 2, 3. Wow, I love it. So loud, so noisy, so cool. Your neighborhood is gonna hate you, I promise. Yeah, man, you're gonna love it. SUPRA. If I don't stop the engine, you guys are not gonna be able to hear my voice in this video. It was too loud. So yeah, we've already done with all these upgrades, and just the wheels need to be changed, and the car is good to go to Guam pretty soon. This is actually one of our advantages in this JDM exporting industry. We do sell cars, we do ship them to any destination in the world, but at the same time, if you request any sort of maintenance or upgrades or modifications, tuning, it doesn't matter if you want some light modifications or if you want some really crazy setup, we can do everything. We have our shop, it's there. I'm pretty sure you guys have already seen what we do here for many times. We do everything. We work with professionals, our mechanics, our tuners are the best ones in Japan. And we do all sorts of repairs, maintenance, tuning. Now we're working on this Nissan Silvia S15 Spec R. This SR20 turbo engine. It's getting maintained. And the Skyline GTR R32. The customer also requested some basic maintenance on this car. And this is a fully modded GTR R35. So if you guys are looking for a factory stock JDM car, it doesn't matter if it's Skyline or Toyota Supra or RX-7, Honda NSX, we can source anytime, as many as you want. And at the same time, if you're looking for something built, upgraded, modified, we can also help you. JDM EXPO is probably the only company in Japan that offers JDM cars export service and any type of modifications and upgrades. This is actually one of our latest additions to our inventory, Honda Prelude. John K is going to talk about this car pretty soon, and you'll see his video on our YouTube channel just in a few days. So guys, stay tuned. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If you liked this video but not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can stay up to date. You can watch the coolest JDM videos on our YouTube channel. It was good talking to you guys. See you in the next videos. Bye.